Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular JCB over here. So we have started with the modeling of the environment over here. That's a background over here. So let's open up a reference over here. So I have some references. Let's open those references and let's start the work. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll slightly reduce the size of this. So there are few of the things which will be required over here. What we'll be doing. So let's just take a box. I'll activate this auto grid part. I'll just convert to editable poly. I'll just take a box. Let's take a auto grid over here. Now I'll create a box. Okay, let's go to the top view. That would be much better to understand. So slightly just push this up over here, drag it. So convert to editable poly. So select the vertices, press R and let's scale this. Select the polygons, bevel it. Again press plus. And let's just slightly just extrude this up and we'll scale this. So I'll go over here, I'll make it in this way. Again just duplicate it over here in this way. So if you see this, we can slightly increase the size of it. And let's just make a copy of it. Or if you want, we can keep it at some distance over here. So I'll just select this part. I'll just isolate this stuff over here. Let's again take a circle, create a circle. So let's make sure we make the design in this way. Go into this, rendering, enable in viewport and push it in this way over here. So let's slightly reduce this and slightly reduce the length. Now after this, I can just take a line and let's create some design. in this way. So we can slightly just shuffle this over here. So we can slightly reduce the length and width over here. Let's go into this interpolation and slightly increase the step size, and let's again mirror it, copy it in x-axis, push it in this way. So we can create any of the designs according to our choice over here. That's totally okay. So I'll just end isolate this stuff. So I'll again select this, and let's again duplicate it wherever is required. So we can just select this, drag it in this way till here. Okay. This looks much better now. Now what I'll be doing over here is like, so we'll be definitely replicating this stuff over here. So again I'll again take one edge over here. I'll put one or two connects. So one I'll shuffle it over here. So select this in this way. So select the polygons again. Let's again extrude it up over here. So let's again extrude it one more. Select this. Slightly we can assign a bit of bevel to it. Okay. So after we have done this, let's just select this. Again we can just duplicate it over here. Shuffle it a bit over here. So that changes can be done. First let's do that only. Again select the polygons. Slightly just okay, we can scale it later on also. That's totally okay. Bevel it. So let's make again a copy of it. So slightly we can do this stuff over here, and last one more will do it. So we get some area. So again extrude this up over here. So select this polygons, slightly give bevel, click OK, and again make a duplicate of it. So we'll just adjust this in this way. Now after that we can create some debris or something. So again go into this view image file, and if you want to create something uneven stuff, we can create that. Can create some uneven stuff. So let's just go over here, so slightly I'll select this and slide chamfer, click OK. So we can create such kind of debris or something, or bricks or something. So we can go into this, and we have geosphere. We can use this geosphere, and slightly we can go into this, and let's give noise over here. We can slightly adjust this shape, whatever you want, you can do that. So we can just create. So let's give mesh smooth. Can place some stuff in this way. So that you can generate through texturing also. Whatever you want, you can do that. So we can slightly just adjust this also. So we are showing that it is uneven. So we can do some changes. over here if required. So definitely we'll shuffle this over here. Let's put some loops. I know we don't need this many details for this, but just to show some stuff, we can use this push and pull also if required. So I can work with the brush over here and reduce the strength if required wherever it is. Do it and make it uneven. So this is a road over here. So we can just select this and make multiple copies of it. Again, make n number of copies. So we can just select this whole thing and duplicate it. So let's select this all and we can make multiple copies of it. Mirror it, x-axis, rotate it and just push it in this way. So all the debris and everything we can just put it in this way. We can just make a few copies of it. Make sure we are arranging this correctly over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.